Hey guys, we're back and now we're gonna do a reaction to B2B's Beep Beep. And I really love B2B, so
I'm not ready.
for this. And it's hard to choose bias because they're all so
Adorable
perfect
and sexy.
Okay,
Wait.
let's just watch this before I keep talking. What?
Can I just say that if I see any of the girls
Touching
the
them.
boys, I will freaking flip. Okay.
It will not be a pretty sight. Okay, anyways.
Oh, just to let you know, we might be screaming throughout the whole music video, and we might be
do
pausing.
not watch on high volume.
And we might be pausing. Just letting you know.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
You ready?
A little.
Okay, let's just do this. Is that uncle? Evan. Oh, it's so cute.
I just love him. Oh God. Your hair. Everything. Oh God. Oh God, my bias.
Open you!
I got this.
Oh, chocolate. My baby.
Oh, they're all so perfect. Oh,
But it wouldn't be getting it though. He's freaking out.
He's freaking out because he
like,
saw
I
you.
know, he's like,
They're all so perfect. I can't breathe.
Unclown. They're all perfect.
His smile.
I got the
sassy. Oh no! Can you not shake your butts like for real?
Die.
Okay, now I changed to a piano scene, and they're also beautiful in a tux. They're so perfect.
That smile. Oh, the high. Did you hear the high note? Oh God. Unclown working that piano. I want to be in that party.
Oh my God, these girls though. It's like they're grinding against each other.
But at least they're not touching them.
Yeah.
God, I would go crazy. Oh, so cute, little colors. This is such a transformation from their last season. They're all. God, I have
They're so.
I was like, and it stopped! Oh, Sanjay! Minhyuk, I see what you're trying to do, it's not working. Actually, it is working.
No parking area. Oh, they got a ticket.
They got a ticket. Oh, they're beating up Minhyuk, why? Oh.
Because that's his car. He
Oh,
parked it there.
They don't have to beat him up. Oh my God, they're like beating on my baby. I need to go over there.
They weren't really beating him up. They were
Shh.
Ow, you.
Okay.
Ow. My legs.
That was beautiful. in
No,
every
duh.
single way. Did you just no dummy?
No.
You lied. You did. She just no done me. Okay.
I love you.
That was so beautiful. I think I'm gonna cry, and I had goosebumps the whole
Can
time.
I cry?
And like,
I was gonna cry.
I think, me.
They were all sexy.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. And Ilhun though in the beginning when he got out of the car and he's like, P2B.
Before that, there was a phone on the street. Was it on the street?
I think so. It was a nice phone too.
Be like, hey, free phone.
I know. My phone. Okay. Anyways,
That's
that
it.
was our reactions. We'll see you next time. Again, I'm Kyla.
I'm May.
Bye. So, oh, like and subscribe to our video and channel.